Hello darlings! For today's video, I'll be trying out and sharing my thoughts on the new Couture Drama Eyeshadow Palette by Bobbi Brown. So let's get started. The palette is the newest addition to the Drama collection and retails for $59. It includes 10 shades in a variety of finishes including matte, shimmer wash, chrome metal, and metallic shadows. For this demo, I decided to follow a Bobbi Brown tutorial to achieve a smoldering copper eye look. To give it a fair trial, I'm priming my eyelids with the one and only P. Louise base in shade 0.5, which is hands down the best eyeshadow primer I've ever tried. Step 1 recommends to apply the nude matte shade called Hidden Pearl all over the lid to neutralize any discoloration. The P. Louise base already did this for me, but I still wanted to see the color payoff and consistency of the shadow. For the next step, I'm applying the subtle peach shade called Silk Sash into the crease and outer corner and bringing it onto the bottom lash line as well. This gave a lovely wash of color and I really liked the peachy tone. I did have to pick up additional products several times in order to achieve the opacity that I was looking for, but there wasn't much more effort involved than the typical application process. For the third step, I'm applying the shimmer wash shadow called Atelier to the inner part of the eye. This particular shade had little to no color payoff. It was very hard to see and I had a hard time building up to be visible. Next, I applied the copper metallic glitter shadow called Midnight Walk all over the eyelid and brought it down onto the bottom lash line for definition as instructed by the Bobbi Brown tutorial. Unfortunately, this shadow had a lot of fallout and went on crumbly and uneven. It was also very hard to blend, so I ended up picking up another brush with some of the shade Silk Sash to try and diffuse it after wiping away the fallout on my face. For step 5, I lined my upper and lower lash line using the chocolate brown shade called Twist of Fate. This one was also really tough to blend and I ended up grabbing a larger, fluffier brush to try and blend it in order to achieve the smoky effect that I was going for. Finally, I'm highlighting my inner corner with the chrome metal shade called Cocktail Ring, which, to no surprise, also had a lot of fallout and required a lot of additional effort to achieve a decent color payoff. Now for my final thoughts on the palette. I actually wasn't very fond of this one. It's definitely high-end and well-made, but with that comes a higher price tag, and I just wasn't happy with the amount of fallout for this palette. I would definitely prefer a more affordable one over this one. Thank you so much for watching this demo and review on the Couture Drama Palette by Bobbi Brown. This is the finished look, and although I had a lot of issues with the palette, I was still able to create this smoldering copper eye look. Please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. See you next time!